You want some more sorbet, Maya?
Maya.
Sorbet?
Oh.
She's a ham. She gets that from you. More?
Bite?
More so, oh, that's a big bite. That might be too big.
What's she saying? What's she saying?
Cold.
Oh.
It's her first time having any kind of ice cream sorbet.
More?
More?
More, please. Say more, please.
She's the best about saying please.
Cold.
Get a little napkin.
Cold.
That's right.
It's cold.
More, please.
Poor mommy has deprived you of ice
More,
cream.
please. Please.
Well, you didn't know about sorbet.
Well, I forgot about sorbet since she has her allergies. I totally forgot. Oh,
Good.
Making you cold. Look at Taylor. Taylor's cold.
cold.
You like sorbet?